Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from TOSCIDO M863 to an Android device. Begin with opening Play Store on both of them and installing free app called Send Anywhere. Remember that it has to be from this developer. I already started on my TOSCIDO because it was taking too long to download, so I can open it right away. And from the screen here, click on I accept, confirm, continue, and allow. Now do exactly the same on an Android. After that, you need to select Send on TOSCIDO and Receive on Android smartphone. Then select all of those dots and simply tap on Send. This way you can choose all of your files and transfer them later on. It will take a long time though to transfer all of mine, so I will go with this one photo, choose Send and tap on Got it. Over here on an Android, choose No Thanks and close this window. After that, as you can see, we have two connection ways. We can input this key over here and choose Receive, but we can also scan this QR code by selecting this scanning icon, choosing while using the app or only this time, and pointing our device's camera at the code. Following that, after a couple of seconds, as you can see, my picture was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!